Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can empty the recycle bin in your notebooks on Microsoft OneNote in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to your notebook on Microsoft OneNote, and to access the recycle bin, navigate to the History tab and choose Notebook Recycle Bin here. And you will be then redirected to that part of your notebook with all deleted items like pages and so on and so forth, deleted notes. So you may recycle that, empty that recycle bin by clicking into that drop-down menu, and by using this option empty recycle bin, that is going to prompt that that is going to make Microsoft OneNote ask you for confirmation if you really want to delete all items inside the folder here, inside the recycle bin, including pages. If you do this, guys, these items will be gone permanently. So choose one of these options. I'm going to keep that page here and restore it actually and move it to that notebook section here, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.